Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for email management. First, let's set up your workspace. Begin by creating a new page or database specifically for your emails. This central hub will help you keep everything organized. Next, define essential properties for your email entries, such as status to track progress, priority for urgent tasks, and a due date for follow-ups. Using a consistent template for new email entries can save you valuable time and ensure uniformity across your system. Now, let's talk about getting your emails into Notion. One straightforward method is to forward important emails directly to a Notion page using its unique email address. Alternatively, browser extensions can capture email content and save it as a new Notion page with just a few clicks. For quick notes or summaries, you can manually add key details and a link to the original email within your dedicated Notion database. This ensures no important information is missed. Once your emails are in Notion, effective organization is key. Utilize tags or multi-select properties to categorize emails by topic, sender, or project. This allows for quick filtering and retrieval. You can then sort your database by priority, status, or due date to focus on what's most important. Linking email entries to related projects or tasks within Notion creates a comprehensive view, ensuring all relevant information is connected and easily accessible. To truly boost your productivity, leverage Notion's advanced features. Set up reminders and notifications for critical email follow-ups, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Create custom views like Today's Emails or Urgent View to quickly identify emails requiring immediate action. For recurring tasks, explore automation options through Notion's integrations with other tools, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time each day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.